Pour the granular pesticide concentrate into the application bag and add water to the fill line before mixing. When handling granular pesticide concentrate for the Pesti Smart Pest Plan, measure the exact amount recommended on the product label and pour it directly into the provided application bag to avoid cross-contamination. After adding the granules, fill the bag with water only to the indicated fill line. Overfilling will reduce mixing efficiency and underfilling can leave undissolved pockets. Close the bag securely and shake vigorously for the time recommended by the product label or until no visible particles remain suspended, using a consistent shaking motion to ensure even dispersion. Lay the bag flat and inspect the solution against a light background to verify full dissolution and to catch any clumps that might clog applicators. If clumps remain, open the bag in a safe area, add a small measured amount of water, reseal, and repeat shaking until visually clear. Always wear appropriate protective equipment, including gloves and eye protection, and keep the mixing area downwind and away from people, pets, and sensitive plants. Common mistakes include pouring granules directly into the sprayer, which can cause clogging and uneven application, so always pre-mix in the application bag and strain if your equipment requires it. Another issue is failing to follow the product label measurement, which leads to underdosing or over-application. Resolve this by using calibrated measuring tools and double-checking the label for the exact rate per treatment area. A third frequent concern is inadequate shaking or visual inspection that leaves undissolved particles that can damage applicators. If you see residue, add water to the bag and reshake. And consider using a fine mesh filter or inline strainer when transferring to the applicator. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and local contractors so we can find work suitable for our skills and needs. Our site includes a discussion community where we share practical tips, ask questions, and learn from real project experiences.